guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby Grace, and today I wanted to share with you guys my no foundation everyday look. This is the look I would wear when I'm running errands and I just want to look presentable, but I don't want to have a full face on, but I want to look like I tried. Now let's get into the video. First step is putting sunscreen. So you want to keep your skin protected from the UV rays. Now it's time to conceal. I use a concealer that is very close to my skin tone to just conceal all my dark spots and hyperpigmentation, so when I blend it out, it doesn't look like I have anything on my skin tone. I absolutely love this concealer because literally once I blend it out, it literally is a perfect match to my skin. For my brows, I use my dark contour stick to fill in my brows. I don't really draw any line. I just want to fill in the missing spots because I want my brows to look as natural as possible. And using the dark shades, keep the same tone of my face in one. And I conceal under my eyes and then on my forehead, just places that just need more light, so it just has that natural looking effect to it. And then right after that, I just use a contour. I don't put a lot of contour. I just kind of dab my contour stick on my cheek so that when I blend it in, it gives me like that cheek. I love using this powder. Not too big, but I just like the yellow effect it leaves after I put on my makeup. So I kind of just put it on and then I wipe it off right away. I'm not letting it bake because this is not a full face look. I just want that kind of yellow residue it leaves after. For my eyes, I want my eyes to look very natural, but also have a tint of color without it being like, oh, look, there's something in my eyes. So I love typically using a red lipstick or using a burgundy eyeshadow. But today I'm using a red lipstick because you can blend that in really well into your skin and it will warm up to your skin and it will look like you didn't put anything on your eyes, which is why I love it. I want to add a little shine to this look because it's just everything is kind of just looking very 1D. So I'm just using this shimmer from this Rimmel London palette. I've been using this for ages, and one thing I love about it, it comes out very golden shiny, and the more you blend it, the more it just like it's like a highlight. It does not much to my eye look is mascara, just so you can bring the whole look together. And do you see how natural it looks? Like there's the shine in the middle, but it doesn't scream, look, I'm wearing eyeshadow, especially when my eyes are open. Then for my lips, I'm bringing that red lipstick we use on our eyes again for the lips. A very light concealer on the center of the lips. Much for getting ready with me. I love doing this look because it typically takes me 10 minutes to do, and my face does not feel heavy, and because there's just not a lot of product on it. It gives the illusion of having tons of product on it, but everything I use is very light and very small amount, but gives me that whole finished and like effortless look.